You're listening to AI Podcast 101 with me, Michael, and my friend Grace. Today's discussion is all about Alibaba's new chatbot, Qwen2.5-Max. It's causing quite a stir in the AI world.
It really is. From what I understand, it's a big leap forward in MOE models.
MOE, mixture of experts. Sounds complicated. Is it really that different from other large language models?
Think of it like this. Instead of one giant brain, it's a team of specialized brains working together. Each expert handles a specific task.
So like a superpowered team of AI specialists? That's pretty cool. But how does it stack up against the competition?
That's what's exciting. The information suggests it's outperforming some key competitors on several benchmarks.
So let's talk benchmarks. What were some of the key tests they used to evaluate Qwen 2.5-Max?
They used a bunch, including MMLU Pro for knowledge, Live Code Bench for coding skills, and Live Bench for general capabilities. There was also Arena Hard, which focuses on human preference alignment.
And how did it do? Did it totally crush the competition?
It performed competitively, especially against DeepSeek v3, which is a big deal. It even outperformed it in some areas. But, remember, it's all relative. The AI landscape is constantly evolving.
Right, it's a moving target. So what about the base models versus the instruct models? Any significant differences?
Yeah, the instruct models, which are fine-tuned for tasks like chat and coding, showed some impressive results. The base models also did well, especially compared to other open-weight models.
So it seems like Alibaba is making a serious play in the large language model game. Okay, so it sounds powerful, but how accessible is it to the average AI enthusiast?
Well, they've made it available through QChat, so you can just jump in and try it out. They also have an API, which is OpenAI API compatible.
OpenAI API compatible? That's a big plus for developers, right? Makes integration much easier.
Exactly. It lowers the barrier to entry for a lot of people. The information even included a Python example to show how easy it is to use.
That's smart marketing. Making it easy to use will definitely boost adoption. Looking ahead, what are the future implications of this kind of scaling? They mentioned scaling data and model size.
It's a big deal. The more data and the larger the model, the more intelligent it potentially becomes. They're aiming for models that can even surpass human intelligence.
Wow, that's a bold claim. But it's exciting to think about the possibilities. What are some of the challenges in scaling these models?
Well, it's not just about throwing more data and computing power at the problem. They also need to improve the training techniques and algorithms to handle the increased complexity. It's a complex engineering problem.
It sounds like a massive undertaking, but the potential rewards are huge. So Grace, what's your overall take on Q2.5-Max?
I think it's a significant contribution to the field. It's impressive to see Alibaba pushing the boundaries of large language models, especially with its performance on various benchmarks and its accessible API.
That was a great discussion. Thanks for sharing your insights.